What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. We're going to jump right into it today. You have 3 rounds for this warm-up. You're going to get a minute of high knees, or if you want to take a little jog outside, that's more than acceptable as well. You got 10 bootstrappers, Jacob's favorite. You're going to grab your toes, drop into that squat, try to pull yourself down, keeping the weight in your heels. 10 inchworms with a push-up at the bottom. So walk yourself down into that plank position, get a push-up, and walk yourself back up. You're going to get 20 glute bridges with a 1-second pause at the top. It's a lot of reps, so you should be nice and activated, feeling fired up after that. You're going to get 30 goblet squats. You're going to get a 30-second goblet squat hold. So grab your dumbbell and then into that squat and hold for 30 seconds. You should be in fuego after those last 2 movements. You're going to rinse and repeat that 3 times. For your workout today, you have 4-minute stations. You're going to go through this all one time. So your first station, you're going to run for 2 minutes or a 400-meter run if you have that measured out. When you come back in, you're going to get max walking lunges for the remainder of that time. After your 4 minutes is complete, you'll rest for 1 minute. Then you're going to start off with that run again. So run for 2 minutes or the 400-meter run. And then when you come back in, you have max Russian dumbbell swings with the dumbbell. So similar movement what we did yesterday, keeping that dumbbell at eye level, popping those hips forward and nice and tight at the top. You're resting for a minute, going to station 3, which is a 2-minute run or a 400-meter run, whatever you've been repeating. And then when you come in, max push-ups in the remaining time. So make sure your chest is hitting the ground. If you need to rest on the floor and straighten those arms out, it may be wise to kind of start off on some smaller sets than you think you need to, rather than trying to knock out a bunch of big sets. You'll rest a minute and go into that 4th round, 4th and final, 2-minute run or 400 meters. And then when you come back in, you have max dumbbell goblet squats. Remember that dumbbell is going to be close to your chest, keeping that weight in the heels. Make sure you're reaching extension at the top and rest as needed there. And then you just get to rest after that. Praise the Lord. All right, so for your cool down today, you have 2 minutes of hip mobility flow. You're going to go into a Spider-Man lunge, into a side lunge, and then into a pigeon stretch. So you got it. Just follow this nice little flow here, and you can kind of pause in each one of those positions. You're just going to go through that for 2 minutes total, making sure you're doing, both the left and the right side. And I hope you guys enjoyed today, and we will see you back tomorrow for more baby love.